According to the Punch Nigeria, in 2002, 5 Egyptians visited Eboh to understudy the designs of local shoe and truck makers. After spending 3 days in the city, one of the visitors said, "If we have this kind of potential in our country, we will conquer the world with leather." 20 years after this statement was reportedly made, the Eboh leather industry is still thriving in chaos. Its production is 0.13% of the global output, and the industry has not produced sufficient foreign exchange to support the country in a period of dollar crunch. The Eboh leather industry is made up of producers of shoes, bags, and truck buses, occupying about 14 clusters across the market. So guys, in today's video, we will be going deep inside the market to see things for ourselves. So basically guys, we are currently inside the shoe line, and as you can see by my left and right, that's the leather material used in manufacturing the shoes. So for the shoe producers, they sort their materials right here. As you can see, some of the shoes here. I want to ask you, Ben, like all these shoes, this one I'm seeing here, right? Are they manufactured here? All of them. Wow, and they all look very foreign.
Yes, they are locally made shoes.
Yes.
And we look through the samples that are in the market to produce this one.
Okay.
Cheaper rates for people who can afford
the main one. Foreign one. But that doesn't mean it's not original. That doesn't mean it's not strong.
No,
or it's not of a quality.
It is.
Okay.
It is strong. But the thing is that both them based on the flexibility the country.
Okay.
To export these things to West African countries, to Cameroon, to Ghana,
wow,
to Togo.
Yeah. So it's actually of a very good quality, just that it was manufactured, so that people here can also afford it.
Yes.
Okay, nice one.
So guys, you see this truck at the back of
this the red one now?
Yes. Most times, like on a Monday or on a Friday, we have bells of shoes leaving here waybill. Like 4 or 5 of these cars going to northern part of the country, going to different states in Nigeria.
Wow.
So they produce like 1 million shoes in a week.
In a week, wow.
Produced right here and exported out of Eboh.
Wow, very interesting. Let's go deep inside the market also. We just spot a truck loading, right?
Yes. So this is the waybill of people that came to buy made in Eboh shoes, heading to different states in Nigeria. Now this truck is one of them. Most of you get like 5 of this truck fully loaded with only shoes. Wow. So when I tell that they make 1 million pairs of shoes in a week, I'm not lying. This is the evidence.
Okay, these are the bells you are talking about.
Yes, the bells of shoes of different people leaving the town. These are all shoes.
So as you can see the bells here. This one is already loaded. So this one is left waiting for another truck to come and pick it up. Oh, that's very interesting. Sorry, what's your name?
My name is Unesic Ventures.
Okay.
Unesic Ventures. That's my company name.
Your company name. So what do you do? You sew bags?
I sew bags, yeah.
So what kind of bags do you sew here?
I sew different types of bags like school bags, traveling bag, rolling bags, conference bag, and souvenirs. Any type of bag, sew it. Yeah.
So after sewing, where do you sell these products?
Well, Abuja, Lagos, or Kaduna, but we need more customers because we used to produce it in big quantity.
Okay. So let me ask you, like your customers, are they like your private customers, like individual customer, or is it a collective customer? Let's say at the end of the day, the line now, the product they produce, they will sell it to one particular customer, one particular company, or each person has his own
Personal customers.
Yes, each person has his own personal customer. Yeah.
So what is the most? I mean, what is the challenges you guys are facing as of right now?
Like the challenges that we are facing now is we need more finance, and we need industrial machines. Like you see all these machines that you see here. There are so many industrial machines that we can use to produce this thing in mass.
Okay.
That is our challenges.
How many, like, let's say, how many bags can you produce in a week? How many quantities?
Like I can produce in a week, I can produce 1,005.
Wow.
Or more than.
Just your shop?
Yes,
alone?
yeah. It's a division of labor.
Okay, yeah. So you have your workers also.
Yeah.
So do you have any, like, something like sample? Let's see your product.
The bags, sure.
Yeah, the bags. Anyone. So let's just see.
For example.
Okay, you made something like this. Wow, this looks very foreign. When looking at this thing, I will never think that this is made here in Nigeria. Talk more of it now, but very, very interesting. Interesting. That's nice, guys. But why the Chinese name? Why the Chinese name there?
Like it's a stamp.
Okay, the stamp.
We can put another stamp.
Okay.
We can remove this one and put another one.
Okay. So is it kind of like a way to let people know that it's a foreign bag or something?
At least it looks like foreign.
No, I'm talking about the name, the Chinese word.
Yes.
Okay.
With this stamp now, it looks like foreign.
Foreign.
Yes.
So people that are attracted to foreign things will go for it.
Yes.
Okay. That's a nice business strategy. Okay, let me see these ones. Oh wow. Nice.
They have this one.
Wow, this is nice. This is nice. Wow. You guys are really doing marvelous work. Wow. Nice one. Okay, well done, sir. Now well done. Oh, so like how much does this one cost now? This one now, how much does it cost?
Like this one is 1,500.
1,500 naira. Why this one is
This one is 1,800.
1,800.
Yeah. Why this one is 1,000.
1,000 naira.
Yeah.
Wow. That's very, very affordable. How long can you last? I mean, how quality is it?
It will last because this is a quality rope, quality materials.
Okay.
Korea.
Oh, Korean.
Yeah, Korea, not China.
Kedu nke ị na-emekọta?
Okay, mụ na-akwa aba.
Ị na-akwa aba?
Aba.
Ọka aba. Okay. So, ụdịrị akpa ị na-akwa?
Anyị na-akwa many times. Anyị na-enwe side bag. Anyị na-enwekwa traveling bag and school bag.
School bag. How long give the Okpaba the album? How long give the Okpaba the album?
Over 20 years now.
About 20 years came on into this business. So, about how's the business so far?
Although the business is working, but there are some areas we lack some certain trends.
Okay. So what are the main challenges you guys are facing in the market? Like, when at the market as of now?
For now, the challenge is I want to carry on
Ego, okay. So you need more money to invest in the business so that you can produce more. So your customers, where your customers is? Like Erosa that and Kendi na legacy that.
Okay. Some people, some of them is from Cameroon.
Cameroon.
Yeah.
Alright, how many quantities of bag can you come in a week?
I think I've walked to 1,000 pieces.
1,000 pieces. Wow. Depends
on the design.
Okay, depends on the design. So wow. That's very interesting. We keep your samples so there are better. Okay, so this is the bag. So this one is what? Lunch boss. Lunch boss. Okay. So this is called the lunch boss. Very, very, very nice. Looks very forward. Wow. Okay, these are for little kids that are going to school. Okay. It's not just for little kids. An adult can also as well use it. They look very mature. Wow.
Oh, this one is dead.
Oh, this one is nice. So this is original leather. Look at this one. So guys, take a look at this one. Wow. This is nice.
This one is makeup bag.
Makeup bag. So for your ladies, this one, when if you want to get affordable makeup bag, this is the right place. So no go, they look for a tailor made. We have it here. So it's nice. Very, very nice. So how much does this one cost?
This one is 10,000.
10,000. What about the yellow one?
Yellow one 6,000.
6,000. And the lunch
The
box?
lunch box 4,000 naira.
4,000 naira. Impressive. Okay, it has another open. Oh, that's nice. Shoe and slippers.
And the sandals.
And sandals. Okay. So can I phone your samples?
Slippers. Front. Cover front.
Okay, cover front. Okay. So now go and roll this thing now. You don't need to go and go China. So guys, just check it out. It's a very nice shoe. It actually looks like one of those shoes made in Italy or wherever you can call it. So this is actually made from So like how many pieces can you make in a week?
Like I mean like 100 pieces.
100 pieces. Okay. Cabin area your Elosana cabin area.
Okay, I know Asad.
Okay, now so in in return, in wholesale. Okay. Alright. You can't go and cost. 3,500 naira. Okay. Is it the retail price or the wholesale price? Okay, the wholesale price is 3,500 naira. Alright.
Sandals.
So guys, check out the sandals. There's another one. This is the shoe bells, as you can see. And some people are still working here. So these are shorts. So this one is still on the building. So guys, when you look around, you see a lot of shops here. People are busy manufacturing shoes, all kinds of shoes, all kinds of leather products. So that's basically where you will find it. I mean, basically that's what is being done here. So very busy people doing a lot of stuff here. So it's quite very interesting and impressive to see that you know, the kind of like factory, should I call it factory, inside Aba, doing great things, producing marvelous things. That's very interesting. Okay, well done though. Remember to go over the video because just come through your process in it's actually for, we are creating awareness about the shoe industry in Aba. So nothing, it's not just a personal documentary. Alright, thank you. So guys, there is a lot of things going on here. Okay. Well done, sir. Good evening, sir. Okay, so guys, basically this is another shop. They also produce. Unfortunately, there is no light. You couldn't see much. I'm so sorry about that. I'm so sorry about all these things. You already know this is one of the challenges these people do face here. At least the least the government could do just produce 24 hours electricity so that they can be able to do more and produce more of these shoes and all that. So actually this is the shoes. All these shoes are made from this shop. As you can see, different design, different types, shoes or slippers. The same thing goes here. It all looks foreign, you know, like for the first time you won't believe this is made here in Aba. So like school shoes, office wears, corporate social wears, sports shoe. This is Adidas, as you can see. So it's really interesting. As you can see, there's a lot of shoes here, a lot. And how long keep the rubber the Eboh? How for now? 1995. Wow. Like how many pieces can they produce in a week?
Then they produce up to 200 pairs in a week.
200 pairs.
300 pairs.
300 pairs in a week. Wow, wow. Fantastic. So, do you want to China? Can you say it? Can you say it?
Okay, this is a bit teacher. Like this African countries. Cameroon, Congo, and
what about Nigerians? Are they patronized too? No.
My Lagos manager.
Okay. So also they again are looking for different designs. Okay, you need to go out. You need to go. So guys, interesting. Ben, help me with that. Wow, this is nice. You can't go in the killer every time. 1.5. Wow, very cheap. Very strong soup.
So I na bane mesopta ụmụaka.
Okay.
Ije just iji mee ka nwee ihe na-arụ.
Okay.
Ka hapụ ịga for crime or something like that.
Iti aka n'ihe ọjọọ.
Iti aka n'ihe ọjọọ. So anyị na-agba dị better. Ihe ọzọ anyị na-ayọ ka gọọmenti bịa mee ya assist.
Okay.
Because
some of the shops never anywhere and talk about the store man they sell.
I don't want steady right here. Okay. So I go buy house on the giants. You also the giants.
So bad. Okay, kí ni me? So afa aboku da aboku na ro.
Slippers and corn.
Slippers and corn. We give one sample of slippers here now.
Yeah, the samples.
Okay, go around car now.
Yes.
Oh, nice. Oh my God. Versace. Man, actually, why are you going to aboku na ti afa ndocha product
Foreign something I get now. Foreign something.
Okay, foreign material.
Foreign material.
Okay.
Foreign material.
So how long give you the well over? Give you the over.
So ebe 15 years now.
15 years.
15 years now.
So now put up.
Na agbalịkwa. Anyị na-agbalịkwa.
Ke challenges unu na-enwe ebe a?
Challenges anyị na-enwe ebe a na-awara ndị na-aka foreign country kpọtara anyị ngwa ahịa. Egbuola anyị egbuo. Ndị na-aga China alọta. Mgbara anyị n'ụzọ adịghịla. Wefutere anyị ngwa ahịa like ise. Ngwa na-ebuga anyị ngwa ahịa egbu.
The material. Okay. The material are very costly.
Well. Well. Instrument they just
okay.
I really this instrument here. Like engine had a couple of
okay. But only Saudi and like how many pieces can you produce in a week?
They produce like in a week. I'm producing 500 pieces.
500 pairs.
With my job.
Now shop again.
Now shop from ever. Wow. My job, man. I'm not a job. I'm also awesome.
Okay, you want workers. Kendi na respa merocha.
Na say Cameroon, Lagos.
Ana be
Cameroon and Lagos. And Guausa and the north.
I found the buy kon umi ba na patronize go.
Ndi buy na be ana be ya. So but from the she ndi buy not from Jos. Ndi na be ba.
So nka no na ego ne ga nka no na.
I na-ere nka na 1,100.
1,100, same thing with the black color. Okay. And another sample was apart from
samples.
Okay. Do you have a bundle? Very interesting. Look at these ones also. So, very interesting. Okay, go on. So this is Zara. So guys, look at the sales. All these products, all these shoes are made here in Aba. Very, very interesting. Very, very interesting. Alright, okay, thank you so much for your time. I appreciate it. More customers. Great customers. If you get ready this week, I have like maybe 2,000 pairs. So how many pieces can I read in a week now? Okay.
According to what you need at the mine.
According to demand, that's how you produce. Okay.
More demand, more employees.
Okay. Like Kopekatampe now, like Oneki produce in a week. Kopekatampe.
All by 1,000 pairs in that.
1,000 pairs. Can you rest one here?
Let's see, I'm there for you. I'm there for Cecilia. I'm there dying for whoever. And then I'll see at the
Safety shoes. Safety boots.
Yes.
We give you sample now, bro. We give you your sample.
Military shoes.
Wow.
Military shoes. All forces.
So,
All kinds of forces shoes.
now you build this one now. Now you make this one.
I'm the one that produced this one.
Wow. So guys, just check out this what you call a safety boots.
Safety shoes.
Safety shoes. And safety boots.
And military shoes.
Oh wow, this is very
That's our
interesting.
military. Desert boots.
Wow. Very nice. This one now is how much?
This one is 6,000.
6,000.
Yeah.
And the original leather, right?
It's the original leather. Desert. That is what they call desert.
What about this one?
Yeah, this one is for all the.
Wait, are you the one that also produces this
Yeah,
one?
I'm the one that
This is not foreign.
Yeah, it's not foreign. I'm the one that produces it.
Nice
I did
one.
up to 1,600 pieces last week.
Last week.
Yeah.
So where did you sell it to?
It's a demand.
It's a demand from
Lagos State.
From Lagos State. Wow. So everything you produce it here, or you have you produce it there.
Yeah.
Very, very interesting. So how long have you been doing this business?
This is a 10 years experience.
10 years.
Yeah.
Interesting. So what are the challenges you guys are facing here?
The capital.
The capital.
Yes.
Okay.
I'm able to get loan from government or basically you can be able to do it more quality and buy some tools. What I mean by tools is something like all this
Machines for
pressing machine, all this pressing machine. We use and couple this shoe. You will see it, you will seal. All here we will seal. And with capital can be able to get a foreign chemical that can last. I use to couple this work without pulling in a period of 2-3 years.
But so far the quality is good, right?
And the quality is good.
Alright, okay. Thank you very much for your time. So what's the name of your company?
My name is Chubi Shoe. Chubi Shoe.
Chubi Shoe.
CHU.
Okay.
Double
So,
BY.
what's the name of this
This
line?
government line.
Government line.
Yeah.
Okay, thank you so much for your time.
Thank you. God bless you. And your name too?
My name is Eboh Media.
Eboh.
Eboh Media.
From here.
From Anambra.
From Anambra, okay, I'm from Abia State.
Okay.
Anrichko precisely.
Okay, nice to meet you.
God bless you.
Alright, thank you. So basically guys, you don't need to travel to Italy or you don't need to travel to Dubai to get your quality shoe. You can also get your quality shoe here in Aba. You can also bring up a sample and give to them. They will make the shoe for you immediately, any kind, any type at all.